Today we talk about how can you share your link to Erin on your Cambly app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down here. You click here on profile down here. Just click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list here. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do next, you just click here on extra minutes, just click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you click here on share your link here, just click on it here. Then it's going to share your link here with your friends on your to Erin on your Cambly app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.